This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Shall we start? So where we are? We are discussing accounting entries, right? Yeah. Yesterday, someone has sent message that I have not understood that particular AP entries. Yeah. What you have not understood? Yeah. First of all, see, as a fresher, see, people should know a few things. What is the main motto of any organization? What is the main motto of any organization? Get profit.
Generate revenue.
To earn a profit, what organizations will do? They sell their product. To sell their product, what they will do? They produce finished goods or semi-finished. To produce the finished goods, what they will do? They purchase raw material. So here, what you people should understand, organization means they don't do any activities blindly. They deal with a number of external bodies, external parties. Right or wrong? They recruit people. They deal with vendors for procuring raw material or taking services. Procuring raw material is not only the main motto of organization, right or wrong? They take services also. For example, employees. Employees are service providers to organization. Right or wrong? Employees are service providers to organization. At the same time, employees, so the organization sometimes they may take loan from NBFC. That NBFC person also for me, if I think from organization point of view, those people are vendors because they have given amount to me. Right or wrong? Hope you got my point. I should pay interest or not? In the same way, across the country, I cannot build my own offices. I take for rent, right or wrong? I take for rent some buildings to operate my business. Are you thinking that whatever the offices we have in Hyderabad, every company is running in their own building? Right or wrong? Okay, they take from different people and they pay rent. Okay, who are the different people? They are vendors again. Who they are? Okay, who are they? They are vendors. They have given their buildings for rent. Okay, so we should pay rent or not? Everyone, can you go to mute? Okay, so here what I mean to convey, organization means not only material, they take services also. Whenever they take services from different people, okay, they pay amount or not. These type of transactions we call without logistics. Hope you got my point. These type of transactions, what we call without logistics. Logistics in the sense whenever material involves, or in other point, another way, whenever module or PP module or ST module, involved with finance, then we call integration with logistics. Integration with logistics. Can you please go to mute? Sayed Ali. Okay. So here, what you people should understand, organization, they don't deal with only material providers. They deal with service providers also. Whenever they deal with the service providers, we call, normally if you post only in finance, then we call without integration of logistics. Whenever we deal with, integration of logistics, whenever we deal with material providers, then, what is the thing we do? Accounting entries, integration with logistics. Either it is or PP or ST. Normally, coming to vendors point of view, we always deal with because we procure material. Right or wrong? We don't deal any type of production activities with vendors. Right or wrong? We don't sell to vendors. Right or wrong? We sell to customer. Okay. If anyone asks why I always use the logistic module, in interview they will ask, what are the integrations we have done with logistics? Then immediately people say, what is logistic? I know FI, I know CO, then what is logistic? That is the reason I always use the word logistics. Okay, logistics in the sense MM, the combination of MM, PP, ST, QM, PM. These are all things we call as logistics. The main modules are MM, PP, ST. You people should remember, right? So yesterday we have started accounting entries in AP, right or wrong? So what is the first one we have discussed? Accounting entries without that is the reason I have written yesterday only in F5. Right or wrong? This entries where it will post? Only in F5. Okay, only in F5. Okay. So for example, if we take any expenses, what we have taken example as rent. What is the first entry it will post? In GL, rent account, debit to rent, payables account. Then what is the second one? Where it will post? You people should understand few more things. GL is different submodule. Accounts payable is different submodule. Accounts receivable is different submodule. Asset accounting is different submodule. Bank account management is different submodule. In FI, what are the core elements we have discussed? 5 elements. What are those? GL accounting, right or wrong? And accounts payable, accounts receivable, and bank account, asset accounting, and bank account, right or wrong? These 5 are different submodules in finance. Okay, what is the meaning of submodule? Every submodule have their own criteria. Every submodule have their own characteristics. GL will be used to post GL, okay, accounting entries. We will prepare financial statements by using GL accounts. P&L statement, balance sheet. That is the nature of okay, GL. Then coming to AP. What is AP? Accounts payable. Okay, either you procure material or services. Either you procure material or services. We always deal with accounts payable. Either you sell services or materials. We deal with accounts receivable. Customers. If it is fixed assets, that means okay, you are using different ACs, your laptop, systems, plants, okay, in plants, machinery, right or wrong? Furniture, pictures. These all are nothing but we call fixed assets. You deal with okay, different banks. V means organization. V means organization. Organization deals with different banks. That is nothing but bank account management. First of all, you people should understand if anyone is discussing about finance, we have finance is a main module. In finance, what are the 5 okay submodule, important submodule? GL, AF, AP, AR, okay, asset accounting, bank accounting. Okay, hope you got my point. These are the 5 main submodules we have. Every submodule we have their own criteria. Okay, hope you got my point. Now, okay, the first entry it will post in GL submodule. What is the entry it will post? Rent account debit to okay, rent payable account. For example, just as in that it is 10,000 or 1 lakh, whatever it may. Then what is the second entry? Second entry where it will post? Not in GL. Where? Accounts payable. Because you are raising vendor invoice. Hope you got where? In SAP application. Where? In SAP application. What is the accounting entry? Rent. Payables. Account. AP. To?
Vendor account.
So whenever vendor involves, then we call that is AP submodule. Okay, AP submodule. That is the reason here I have written. Don't think that one this also belongs to AP. Okay, we are discussing about accounting entries in AP. But the first entry normally organization post in GL. For example, they are not following any provisional system. Hope you got it. They are not following any provisional system. Then they don't post this entry. What entry they will post? Rent account directly. Rent account abittu vendor account. Rent account abittu vendor account. Hope you got my point. Okay, right. If they are following provisional entry, then first they will post this entry. Then they will post second entry. Okay, right. Then what is the third one again? AP. This is nothing but this is provision. Then it is vendor invoice. Vendor invoice. Then what is the next one? Vendor payment. What is the accounting entry?
Vendor account debit.
Vendor account debit. Two. As I already told you, check issue, clearing account. Why we should use check? Okay, issue clearing account. Because we are paying, yes, but we don't know whether that particular person has encashed that amount or not. Until unless we do BRS, we should keep that one as an open item. We should keep that one as a open item. Once you done BRS, then okay, we came to know, yes, he has okay encashed that check. Then we will nullify. That is the reason organizations they don't directly use main bank account while making payment account. Okay, what is the GL they will use? Check issue clearing account. Hope you got my point. Okay, right. Then what is the fourth one? BRS. Okay, what is the accounting entry? Check. Clearing account debit. To how much? As I already told you, organization may follow this one or directly they can you post rent account data to bank account also. It is totally depends on their business process. Totally depends on their business process, their accounting okay standards. నాకు ఎందుకు అబ్బా ఇవన్నీ ఎవడన్నా వస్తే నేను మాట్లాడుకుంటా ఓకే కొట్టు నువ్వు రెంట్ అకౌంట్ టు బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీవన్ కమ్స్ ఐ విల్ డిస్కస్ విత్ దెమ్. Hope you got my point. Okay, if your CFO has okay told in this way, you, as an end user, you should do that's it. Right or wrong? You cannot okay discuss with the CFO. No. My sir has told that one. We should post first rent account to rent payable. Next, we should post to rent payable account to vendor account. Then only we should post to vendor account and check clearing account and check clearing account and main bank account ante mundu bayitiki vellanడి. Hope you got my point. That is the reason. First, we should study. As I already told you so many times. Business people are not new to their business. Business people are not new to their business. They are running their business since last 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. They already know these all things. You people don't know. Hope you got my point. Okay, that is the reason whenever you go for any SAP implementation, first you people should try to understand how they are doing their accounting. Okay, hope you got my point. Either it is Tally or Oracle or SAP, the accounting structure, what they are following, it will not change. Right or wrong? So how you are following? Okay, first you should understand their book of business process. That is the thing we do in as-is. Right or wrong? Okay, SOP methodology, we have discussed the second phase. What is the second phase? Business blueprint. In business blueprint, what we will do? As-is and to be. What we do in as-is? We study their existing business process. What they are doing since last 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. We will ask their trial balance. We will ask their reports. We will sit with their accountants and we will see their existing system, either it is Tally or Oracle, anything, how they are recording transactions. We will conduct a number of meetings. We will conduct a number of workshops. That is the reason the tenure of minimum SAP project is minimum. I already told you 9 months to 1 year, 1 year to 2 years, like that. Right? First, you should understand their existing business process. Then only you can map those all things. Okay, hope you got. For example, they are following rent account to bank account. They are following. What is the accounting entry they are following? Rent account and bank account. Then you should sit with them. You will explain them. Okay, till now you are following rent account and bank account. But in SAP, this is also option you have. I don't know why you are not following. Okay, in your accounting, you can follow in this way. Okay, in SAP it is possible because we have very good BRS system, we have very good AP system, we have very good GL system. I will provide those all options. Okay, can you change your mindset to record these all transactions? Right? Hope you got my point. We will discuss with them, CFO or GM or AGM or DGM, whoever it may be, who has appointed as a project core team member. We will discuss with them. Yes, you are following this one, but it is available in SAP. Will you shift? Okay, from this process to this process. If they have agreed, then okay, once we implement SAP, they will follow this system. They will follow. For example, they have not agreed. They have not agreed. Still SAP follows. SAP supports rent account and bank account. SAP. What is SAP? SAP is just an application. That's it. What is SAP? SAP is just an application. But it has a number of options. If you compare with other ERPs, if you have a number of functionalities, if you compare with other ERPs, other ERP softwares, then you will give all the options to client. All the options to whether they follow, they don't follow. It is totally depends on their interest. Totally depends on. Just assume that as a contractor, I have gone to build one building. Okay. Everything the people who are who have asked me to construct that building, they don't know anything about vastu, they don't know anything about this thing, and they told that one they want to construct washroom in Esanyam. Normally అంటారు కదా ఏసాన్యంలో ఏం బరువు ఉండకూడదు ఏదని. They want to put some store room in Esanyam. Oh, we got my point. But I know as a contractor, I know vastu, because I have constructed so many buildings as per vastu. That is the reason I have discussed with them. No, sir. In Esanyam, you should not do anything. You should not put any weight. Hope we got my point. Then the particular person, he discussed with me. The particular building owner who have given contract to me. You know what is my name? My name is Ram Gopal Verma. Right? I don't listen our words. You should listen my words. Right? Hope we got my point. You construct there. What I told you. If anything happens, I will see you. If anything happens, I will bear. Hope you got my point. He has given that statement. What I will do as a contractor? I will build or not? I will build or not? I will build or not? You only have given answer. Hope you got my point. I have told to the client, these are the structure you can follow. If client has not shown any interest, then they are saying that no, I follow the same thing. What happens? What I am doing already in my existing system, the same thing I will do in SAP also. Who we are to say no? Right or wrong? That is their system. They only will do. Right or wrong? After this implementation also. Hope you got my point. That is the reason. But as a consultant, that is your duty. That is your roles and responsibility to tell what are the options we have in SAP to the client. Hope you got my point. Another example I will give, because why I am taking this much time. This is the initial stage. You people should understand. Another example I will give. You have gone to some doctor. Some shaking was in the body. You thought that one you are not feeling well. You have gone to doctor. Doctor has done all the tests, and the doctor told that one, Arey Baba, I think you have some smoking habit. You should stop that one. Instead of smoking, you do one thing. Every day you eat one apple. Every day you eat one apple. Then you don't get any this type of issues and these all things. You stop smoking. Whether I listen or not, it totally based on my interest. Totally based on, if I listen, my lifestyle will be changed, and my health also will be good. Right or wrong? If I don't listen, again I frequently visit hospital. One day I will. Right? Hope we got my point. In the same way, you people try to understand. That is the reason we call. What is our designation? Consultant. What is our designation? In any software job, normally they give designation software employee, software engineer. But only in SAP, they will give designation as why? For which professions we, okay, those people will give consultant designation? Anyone? For which professions normally we will give, okay, consultant designation? Whenever you go to any hospital, if you want to, okay, meet any doctor, what the front office people will say? Consultation fee. What is front? Okay, front office admin, okay, person will say consultation fee. Doctor, consultation fee. What doctor will do? Doctor will provide solutions. Doctor will provide solutions for our health related issues. That is the reason we call him as consultant. That is the reason we are paying consultation. The second profession, whenever you go to lawyer, he will take consultation. Whenever you go to lawyer, he will take consultation fee, because lawyer will provide solutions for our legal related issues. Right or wrong? That is the reason we pay consultation fee. The third profession, chartered accountants. For CS, what we will provide? Consultation fee. Because CS, okay, they will provide solutions for our monetary related issues. Our monetary related issues. Hope you got my point. In the same way, in SAP field, okay, all IT companies or all clients will call us as why we should provide solutions to the clients based on their business requirement. Based on their business. But where we should provide that solution? In SAP application. Where we should provide solution? In SAP. First of all, you people should try to understand that one. ఏదో నామకే వస్తూ వస్తున్నాం, పొద్దున్న 7 o'clock 6:30కి లెగుస్తున్నాం, వస్తున్నాం, ఏదో ఆయన చెప్తున్నాడు వింటున్నాం, వెళ్తున్నాం. Don't do like that. Okay, you have chosen one profession. People should understand, right? Why every profession they are calling in software engineer, but why SAP is calling consultant? Because SAP consultant should provide solutions to the clients based on their business. Where we will provide that solution? In SAP. That is the thing you people should understand. Hope you got my point. These all things you people should understand in initial phase only. So many people normally will say, I have completed course, I am not getting any jobs. Because whenever you go to interview, we don't ask theoretical questions. If people feel that one, normally, okay, whenever you read some 100 questions, we will get, okay, 10 questions or 20 questions from that 100 questions. We don't ask that. We ask practical questions. We ask practical questions. When you can give answer to practical questions, if you have knowledge on that particular scenario, then only you can. Hope you got my point. Then only you can. That is the reason. And doctor normally tells us, you eat apple instead of, okay, cigarette, then you will not have that heart attack and these all things. Right or wrong? In the same way, here also we always tell, you should do practice. You should do practice to get the, okay, all the knowledge. But okay, if you do practice, right, hope you got my point, you can give the answers in interviews. If you don't do practice, and if you watch today India or Bangladesh match afternoon, and okay, 23rd India Pakistan match, okay, afternoon, you don't do practice, and continuously IPL from April and May, and continuously movies from next 3 to 4 months, if you don't do practice, you cannot give answer. Right or wrong? But as a, okay, mentor, as a trainer, I will tell you, practice makes man and woman also perfect, not only man. But if you listen, you will, okay, you can give the answer in interviews. If you don't listen, if you don't do practice, we don't give the answer. Hope you got my point. Anyways, hope, okay, now you got clarity, right? Once again, I am telling you, I know that, okay, 80%, 70 to 80% people recently passed out, okay, graduates and postgraduates, they join these type of courses. But you people should, okay, change your thought process. Day before yesterday also, I already told you, from now onwards, you always should start from company point of view, organization point of view, not from your individual point of view. If you think from your individual point of view, you cannot understand. You always think from, I have started organization. What are the activities I do for my organization? How I will procure material for my organization? How I produce, okay, semi-finished goods or finished goods for my organization? How I will sell, okay, any finished goods for my organization? Okay, how I deal with finances? How I deal with costing? How I deal with, okay, HR in my organization? If you think in that way, then slowly, అది ఎప్పుడో క్లోజ్ అయిపోయి ఉన్న బ్రెయిన్. రైట్, hope we got my point. Okay, right. Anyways, everyone is clear, right? As I already told you, rent payable. Ultimately, what is the treatment? Rent account debit to main bank account. But 99% companies who are following proper accounting structure, 99% companies, I am not talking about roadside okay companies. I am not talking about 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs investment companies. Hope you got my point. I am talking about the companies whose turnover or whose investment is crores. If they are following proper accounting structure, they do it in this way. Hope you got my point. Okay, right. Because in audit we will face n number of questions. Hope you got me. In audit they will face n number of questions. They should give answers. Every year they should file their financial statements or not. Hope you got me. As an individual, just for 12 lakhs income, 15 lakhs income, we will submit n number of documents, health insurance document, a home loan document, and this document to avoid the tax, right or wrong? Then what about companies? They should submit documents or not to the IT department. That is the reason they should record each and every transaction in a proper way. I am not saying that you should forget your academics, but in academics you have learned some 60 to 70%. Now that 60 to 70% you should convert into corporate. How companies work. Hope you got my point. How companies record the accounting transactions, how companies post accounting documents, how companies will prepare financial statements. Hope you got my point. You always think from their point of view. Everyone is clear, right? Then what is the second one? Accounting entries with integration of logistics modules. Normally, what are the logistics modules we have? MM, PP, SD. But in AP, always we discuss about MM. We always discuss about when organization deal with vendors, whenever they procure material or whenever they procure services. Okay, right? That is the reason. Materials and which module andi? Materials management. Hope you got my point. PP, what is the meaning of PP? Production. When you are dealing with production, then we integrate with production. Planning. And when we deal with SD, whenever organization selling material, then sales and distribution module will come into the picture. Hope you got one. Now at present moment where we are? In AP. In AP always coming to vendor, which module we deal? MM. That is the reason. Without a MM module, these are the entries normally we post. Just I have taken example rent, but any expenditure, this is the treatment. Any expenditure, this is the treatment. Either it is rent or salaries or anything. If they are dealing with vendors, that is the thing you people should understand. Hope you got one. Sir, in my organization, they have posted traveling expense account to bank account. You have discussed that expenses, you should post in this way. What is the accounting entry they have posted? Traveling expenses account to bank account. There is no vendor involvement. Right? They have paid some amount for traveling expenses. That is the reason they have posted only traveling expenses accounted to. For example, the traveling expenses, they have arranged one, what I can say, some outside program for employees. They have discussed it with some travel agent to arrange one bus. మహాకుంభమేళ ఏదో జరుగుతుంది కదా, మొత్తం ఎంప్లాయీస్ అందరూ ఇష్టం లేకుండా పదండి అని చెప్పి తీసుకెళ్ళి జస్ట్ చేసింది. దే హ్యావ్ డిస్కస్డ్ విత్ వన్ vendor. మీరు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి వస్తే మొత్తం టోటల్ పుణ్యం వచ్చేది, మన కంపెనీ సేల్స్ పెరిగిపోతాయి, పదండి నేను చెప్తాను. జస్ట్ assume that company has arranged one bus for Mahakumbh. Then what they will do? They deal with the travel agent or not? Then that particular travel agent will be created as vendor in our books. Then what is the accounting entry? Travel expenses account debit to vendor account. Vendor account debit to check issue clearing account. And check issue clearing account to You people should understand how okay they are posting. What are the entries they are posting without okay vendors? What are the okay accounting entries they are posting with vendors? Again with vendors. Okay, whether the particular vendor is service vendor or material vendor. Hope you got open. These are the things you people should okay understand while you are discussing with client. Hope you got my point. Okay, everyone is clear, right? Shall we go to the next one? What is the second part? Accounting entries with logistics module. Okay, normally, okay, this one we call as P2P cycle. What we call P2P cycle. P2P cycle means procure to pay. What is that? Procure to pay. What is procure? We are okay procuring material. Okay, what is pay? We are going to pay amount to vendor. Hope you got me in interview. This is one of the must and should question. Either you apply for end user or you apply for consultant. Have you worked on P2P cycle? What is P2P cycle? Procure to pay cycle. Procurement of raw material to payment to the vendor. Okay, hope you got my point. Okay, right. So normally in first step here, organizations will create purchase requisition. What they will create? Purchase requisition. Here normally there won't be no accounting entry. Will be posted. Will be posted in okay. My organization have identified this is the material I require. Hope you got my point. I have not gone to market. I have not verified who is okay going to sell that particular material. Okay, hope you got my point. What is the rate? What is the quality? How much time it will take? These all things I have not done. What I have identified? I need to produce this material. To produce this material, I need plastic. I need sponge. I need ink. I have identified what are the materials okay organization needs. Hope you got my point. To do the production. Okay, once we have identified what we raise, organization will raise purchase requisition. Organization will raise purchase. That is the reason there is no accounting. I have not gone to market. I have not discussed with any vendor. Just I have identified what is the material my organization requires. What is the quantity? Hope you got my point. To produce this okay marker, I need plastic. I need okay sponge. I need ink. Some 10 kgs or 10 liters or 20 liters or 30 kgs, whatever it may be. This is the material I need. Hope you got my point. So, okay, at that time, what they will create? They will create purchase. Everyone is clear, right? Done. Next one. Create purchase order with reference to purchase requisition. With reference to purchase. Here in second step, we identified one vendor who will provide that material. What is the quantity? What is the price? Hope you got my point. Hope you got my point. For example, you have decided to take SAP FICO course. You have decided to take SAP FICO course. Will you visit at least 5 to 10 institutes or not? Right? Will you attend okay some 5 to 10 demos or not? Right or wrong? That is what is the base? Purchase requisition. You have not identified okay from where I should take. Hope you got my point. Then second one, what is the second one? Purchase order. We have decided yes, this is the institute I am going to join. Yes, he is the okay mentor. Okay, I am going to take, or he is the trainer I am going to take. We have decided. Right or wrong? Hope you got my point. Then what is the phase? Create purchase. Here also, just you have decided who is the vendor I am going to take. Hope you got my point. So here also, no accounting entry will be posted in. Everyone is clear, right? Everyone is clear, right? But what we will finalize here, who is the vendor? How much quantity I am going to procure? What is the price? What is the price? మంచి గట్టిగా బార్గెన్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా, రైట్? ఓకే, శ్రీకాంత్ and భవానీతో చేస్తున్నారా? రైట్, ఓకే. Okay, organization also will deal with vendors and organization also will bargain, right? I hope you got moment. This is the material required, this is the quality I need, and this is the okay timeline. Okay, you should deliver that material, right or wrong? Hope you got moment. Organization will deal with or not vendors, that is the same. But I have not received any material, organization has not received any material. Hope you got my point. Now what is thought step? Goods, nothing but raw material received with reference to purchase order. With reference to purchase order. Here, what is the okay? Third one, goods received with reference to purchase order. In this step, now you have registered. You are getting the training or not? In the same way, organization have decided who is the vendor, right? They will receive material or not. So here, what is happening? Goods received. Okay, organization is receiving goods. Organization is receiving goods. Now tell me, what is the accounting entry? Is accounting entry will be posted in books or not? If it is posted, what is the accounting entry?
It will be posted, sir.
It will be posted because organization is receiving goods. Hope you got my organization is receiving goods from the vendor. Now tell me, what is the accounting entry? Purchase account debit to bank account. Purchase account debit to bank account. Purchase account bank account. Now tell me, can you go to mute, please? Now tell me, you have given answer purchase account debit to bank account. That purchase account you are saying is liability or asset or income or expenditure?
It's a liability, I think.
That purchase account data to bank account, that is the answer everyone has given. Yes, okay, I agree with you. That purchase account which you people have told is liability. We have only 4 nature of accounts, right or wrong? ప్రపంచంలో ఏ మూలకి వెళ్ళినా యాజ్ ఎ కామర్స్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ గే I should deal with liability, or I should deal with asset, or I should deal with income, or I should deal with expenditure. We don't have any okay fifth type of account, right or wrong? Now my question, that purchase account is liability or asset or income or expenditure? Expenditure. Okay. Any other answer? Someone in online?
It's liability.
It's a liability. Okay. Any other answer?
Expenses.
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 Okay. Any other answer?
Sir, if we make this with credit, it is liability, sir, payable.
Okay. Any other answer? Why? So okay, one by one we will go. First, okay, our friend has given answer expenses. Why it is expenses? It is a day-to-day transaction. That is the reason we should treat that one as an expenditure. Okay, good. And someone has told liability. Why it is liability? From online.
I think because we'll be paying the vendor later on.
Okay, that is the reason it is liability.
Yeah.
Okay. Someone has told another one asset. See, any answer and in interview also, while you are delivering one answer, if interviewer asks why, you should have justification. You should have justification for that answer. Hope you got my point. Tell me, why you told asset? It is a stock. Good. So any organization, they treat any purchases as current asset. Current asset. Because it is a stock they receive and they kept that one, they will keep that one in godown. They will keep that one as godown. Suddenly audit happens. Suddenly IT department came. If they verify godown, the stock will be available or not. Then they will ask where you have written this one in your accounting books. How you are showing. For example, there are you should understand logically. Yes, okay, I have received material from vendor. I will take some time, and because these all are very, very important. Okay, these all are very, very, very important. Okay, for example, I have received goods from vendor. I kept in godown. I kept in go down. As our friend told that one, I will write that one as expenditure. Because okay, he is saying that it is day-to-day expenditure. That is the reason, okay, I will keep that one as a expenditure. Why I buy that particular material? What is the purpose? To convert into semi-finished goods or finished. Suddenly today night something happened. Suddenly today night, can you go to mute? Suddenly today night something happened. I decided I should not go for production. I should not go for production. Okay, for next 5 years or 10 years. What I will do with that material? Will I sell or not? Will I sell or not? Again, I will get amount or not? Not 100%. At least, okay, I will get some amount or not? I will get some amount or not? Then how I can treat that one as expenditure? You people should, okay, think. Hope you got my point. Okay. Any amount, నార్మల్గా ఇది స్టూడెంట్స్కి నేను ఎప్పుడు చెప్తూ ఉంటా, ఐ ఆల్వేస్ టెల్ టు ద స్టూడెంట్స్, few people will take this one in a positive way, few people will take in a negative way, but okay, that is my responsibility. That is the reason I always try to tell, any amount you are spending, if you receive any returns, then we call that is asset. Then we call that is asset. If you don't return, okay, if you don't get any returns, then we call that is expense. Then we call that is expense. Why I told you that students will take positive way or negative way? Again, I will come to your exam. Now, you are taking this okay course, right or wrong? Right or wrong? You are spending some 20,000 or 25,000. Now tell me, it is investment or expenditure? It is investment or expenditure? Investment or
Investment.
investment or
Investment, sir.
if you get something out of this, okay, money, okay, which you are spending, then you people treat this one as a investment. But if you don't do practice, if you don't get anything, if you don't get job, then okay, how you will treat this one as? It totally depends on. It totally depends on. Hope you got
This
more
is
point.
this is
Okay.
open item as of now, sir.
Sorry, it is a open item. Right. See, you always should treat this should not be as expenditure. It is a investment for your career, for your future. Normally we say, if you go in this way, you will get job. If you go in this way, you will get job. Okay, this is the thing you should learn. This is the thing you should learn. Okay, few people will ask why you are charging this much, why you are charging separate server. These all are investments. So you people should understand. You have joined okay college for intermediate. After completion of intermediate, okay, will you ask intermediate certificate or graduation certificate? Every answer with you only. But our ego will not be satisfied. That's it. Our ego will not be satisfied to accept. Hope you got my point. Hope you got my point. So, you people try to understand whether you are putting this one as expenditure or investment. Sometimes I say, normally, after this course, you got job, okay, SAP fresher job for 10,000 salary. For 10,000 salary. In Chennai or Bangalore. You people will come and you people will, okay, normally ask me, sir, okay, I got this job and they are saying I will pay only 10,000. Will I go or not? I try to convince them. Are Baba, you treat this one as a just okay normally starting point. You can go, you can join. Just okay, 2 to 3 years sacrifice. 2 to 3 years sacrifice. Okay, few things. Few things. Yes. Okay. For example, 10,000 is okay not enough for you. Okay, to live there. Maybe in Bangalore, in Chennai, or Hyderabad. Okay, if you have confidence on yourself, you ask your parents, yes, okay, I am starting my career with 10,000. You can bear me for another 1 year or 2 years. Hope you got a moment. I will repay whatever the payment you are giving to me with interest. Then you can discuss these type of things, our parents, if you have confidence. If you have confidence. We don't okay have that confidence. If you don't have that confidence, you feel that one, no, 10,000 is not enough for me. I cannot ask my parents. I cannot arrange. I cannot go. But you are losing experience or not? You are losing experience or not? Decision making is very, very important and in life. Based on your decision making only, your life will be different. మనం ఏమనుకుంటామంటే అక్కడికి వెళ్తే 10,000 ఆ 10,000తో స్టాయి రేపు రేపు వెళ్ళి 2 లక్షలు 3 లక్షలు కూర్చుంటాము విత్ ఇన్ 2 years 3 years. Who knows? I have started my career in SAP with 4,500 rupees. What was my first salary in SAP? 4,500 rupees. Before that, I have worked as a cashier in ICICI Bank. Okay, in ICICI Bank, my salary is 22,000. I resigned that job. I came out and I have joined SAP. But okay, again after 1.5 year to 2 years struggle, I have started with 4,000. 22,000 రిజైన్ చేసి బయటకు వచ్చి మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యానండి. బట్ వేర్ టుడే ఐఎమ్ కొన్ని ఫిగర్స్ చెప్పకూడదు. ఓకే రైట్ ఓకే వాట్ ఇస్ ద అకౌంటింగ్ ఎంట్రీ? Goods received, okay, with respect to purchase. Goods received with respect to purchase. Here, organization is receiving material or not? Organization is receiving material or not? Accounting entry will be posted or not? What is the accounting entry people are saying? Purchase account and not a bank account. So that purchase account, okay, whether it is liability or asset or income or expenditure, you always should treat that one as asset, not okay expenditure. If it is a trading material, you are purchasing, you are selling immediately, then you may treat that one as a okay expenditure. But 99% cases, organizations always treat any material purchases as asset. Yes, asset. You people will show that one as a current assets in your balance sheet side. Current assets in your balance sheet side. Okay. So can I write in this way? The first thing you people should understand, accounting entry will be posted. Why? Organization is receiving goods. Organization is receiving goods. What is the accounting entry? Can we write in this way? Raw material purchases or inventory. Right? Account debit. How much? 1 lakh. 2? మనం ఏ మాడ్యూల్లో ఉన్నాం మీరు చెప్పాలి. మనం ఏ మాడ్యూల్లో ఉన్నాం మీరు చెప్పాలి.
Vendor account, sir.
మనం ఏ మాడ్యూల్లో ఉన్నాం సార్? మనం ఏ మాడ్యూల్లో ఉన్నాం? ఏపీలో ఉన్నాం. రైట్. ఏపీ అంటే ఏంటి సార్? అకౌంట్. వి ఆర్ డీలింగ్ విత్ వెండర్. ఓకే, టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఇస్ అకౌంటింగ్ ఎంట్రీ? రా మెటీరియల్ వెండర్ అకౌంట్ డెబిట్. సార్ రా మెటీరియల్ ఓకే ఇన్వెంటరీ అకౌంట్ డెబిట్. డెబిట్
Raw material payable, vendor payable.
vendor
Payable.
right, right, this is the entry. But now again I have some question. Sir, accounting entries నార్మల్ గా చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బట్ ఓకే చెప్పినా కూడా ఇంత ఇన్ డీటెయిల్ గా చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బట్ వై ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ దీస్ ఆల్ థింగ్స్, it will play very very crucial role for your learning, at the same time for your interviews, at the same time in day to day activities also. Hope you got my point. If you go and if you discuss with any of your friends or okay your hostel mates, maybe by this time the people who has joined in other institutes, they have completed their global settings in SAP course already. వాడికి ఒక 5% to 10% అయిపోయి ఉన్నారు. Right? Hope you got my point. If they start the same day, but okay, it will take another 1 week maybe to go to system. For us, you people should understand few things. It may be okay, it will take another 1 week to go to the system. I always strongly feel that basement is very very important. Yes, I want to build 100 floors in this okay building, but what should be okay good? Basement undalandi. Okay, what should be strong? Basement. If you have that basement, 100 ga 200 kattandi ekkadiki podu. If you don't have basement, మీ టైం పాస్ కోసం కట్టుకుంటారేమో, బట్ ఏదో రోజు కోలాలో లేదు. Hope you got my point. Hope you people understand, right? Tell me. So here I have one question. Yes, I have identified one vendor. I have decided to purchase material. That particular material vendor, okay, provider, the service material provider is staying in Bangalore kada meedi, right? Okay, Bangalore. We will take Bangalore vendor. Okay, he is staying in Bangalore. Vendor. I have called him because I have identified, I have raised a purchase order and okay, purchase requisition. We have identified that particular vendor is going to provide that material. This is the quantity, this is the price. Hope you got the point. So whenever I have raised purchase order and he agreed to send that material, he called me and told that Venkatji, yes, I have started delivering goods to your plant. Immediately, I have posted this entry. Immediately I have posted this entry in my books. What is the entry I have posted? Raw material purchase accounted to vendor account. But have I received goods? Have I received goods? It will take some time, right or wrong, to receive goods from Bangalore to here or not. Meanwhile, what he told, yes, maybe in 2 days or 3 days you are going to receive material, but meanwhile I will do one thing, I will send invoice, because that is also business, right or wrong. For them that is sales order. For them they should raise customer billing, right or wrong. That is the organization. For them who we are? Customers. Who we are? Customers. For our organization who they are? Vendor. So they have raised their billing, customer invoice. He has sent through mail. He has sent through, nowadays on the online garden. Then invoice he sent through mail. So immediately once I received that mail, I immediately posted this entry in my books. What is the entry I have posted? Raw material inventory account to vendor account. But have I received material? Have I received material? I have posted that entry very good and ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోయి ఫ్రెష్గా స్నానం చేసి పడుకున్న మంచి బిర్యానీ తిన్నా పడుకుని పొద్దునే వచ్చా ఆఫీస్ వచ్చేసరికి ఐటీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు వాళ్ళకేం పని బాట ఉండదు కదా IT department came for raid tomorrow morning. They have asked, you have posted this entry. Yes, I agree. Could you please show the inventory in Godo? Could you please show that inventory in Godo? Can I show them? Because I have not received any material. What I have received? I have received only invoice. Right? Hope you got one. Again, it will create disturbance or not? That is the reason any raw material goods received or vendor invoice received, whichever comes first. You have received material or you have received invoice, whatever it comes first. You should not post directly raw material inventory account data to vendor account. Hope you got the point. Again, you should use one clearing account like your check issue. Here, what is this one? This is clearing account, right or wrong? Because we have not withdrawn money from main bank account. From vendor has not withdrawn money from main bank account. For intermediate purpose, we have used this one. Right or wrong? Here also, we have not received material. But what we have received? Invoice. What we have received? Invoice. Maybe sometimes you receive material, but you don't receive invoice. Second case, the same vendor is staying in Hyderabad. I have called him. He told that one, Venkatji, I agree. Yes, I have decided to send material to you. Today itself, I am sending material. By today, end of the day, you will receive material. But on urgent work, I am going to some Tamil Nadu or wherever it may be, or out of country. I will come back to Hyderabad maybe after 1 week. Once I come back, then I give invoice. I will give invoice. It will be happened or not? It can be happened or not? So both cases is possible. Sometimes organization will receive material first. Sometimes organization will receive invoice first. Sometimes both at a time they can. For better accounting purpose, for better recording of transactions purpose, any material which you purchase, you should not post directly raw material inventory account data to vendor account in books, especially in SAP. In SAP, how we will post? Either you receive material first or you receive invoice first. The entry, if you receive material first, just assume that. So what is the accounting entry? Raw material inventory account debit to GRIR clearing account. Clearing account. What is GR? What is IR? Invoice. Anything it can be happened. Sometimes you organization may receive Myro invoice first, then we call that is advance Myro. Hope you got it. Sometimes you receive invoice first. Material first. So for example, in this case, what you have received? Material first. What is the accounting entry? Raw material inventory account debit to GRIR clearing. This is just a clearing account like our check issue clearing account. Then what is the fourth step? What is the fourth step? Invoice. Okay, or you can put invoice for vendor. Invoice for vendor. Okay, accounting entry will be posted or not? Why? Why accounting entry will be posted?
We received invoice.
Why accounting entry will be posted in organization books? Because here you are going to create liability for vendor. You are going to create liability for vendor because you have received material and the material receives చేసుకుని నీకు డబ్బులు ఏమన్నట్టు ఊరుకుంటాడు. Right? We should pay, right or wrong? Hope you got my point. So in this step, what it is going to be created? Vendor liability is going to be created. Vendor liability is going to be created because organization should pay amount to vendor or not. Then tell me, what is the accounting entry? Anyone? What is the accounting entry?
Vendor account debited.
Clearing account debit to vendor account.
Debit. How much?
1 lakh.
To how much? As usual, here if you clearly observe, what is the accounting entry? Raw material accounted to vendor accountant, but organization will not post in that way. Hope you got my point. In first entry, what they will post? Raw material inventory accounted to GRR. Second entry, what they will post? GRR clearing accounted to vendor for better understanding purpose, for better bookkeeping purpose, accounting entries purpose. Hope you got my point. No sir, I directly post raw material inventory accounted to vendor account. If logistics module have been activated in your system, it is not possible. It is not possible. Hope you got my point. If logistics module has not activated, you are using only FI, then maybe okay, raw material inventory account you have created as one GL, vendor you have created, then you can post raw material vendor account inventory account. But whenever you are dealing with logistic module through MM, this is the accounting entries you people should remember. These are the steps you people should remember. Okay, what is the first step? Create purchase records. Okay, no accounting entry will, because I have not received any material. I means organization. What is second entry? Create purchase order. Because I have decided who is the vendor, from where he is sending, what is the quantity, what is the price. But I have not received material. In third step, what happened? Goods received. Hope you got it. Here, I am receiving goods, but I am not going to create vendor liability. I am not going to create vendor liability. Only I am receiving goods. Hope you got the point. So, what is the accounting entry? Raw material inventory account debit to GRAR. Then fourth step, what I am doing? Invoice. That means vendor liability I am going to create. What I am going to create? You people may have some doubt. Sir, today only I have received material. Today only I have received invoice. In those cases, what I should do? In that cases also, you should post in this way. Hope you got the point. Okay, hope you got the point. Whenever you are dealing with material procurement with MM module, these are the steps. That's it. These are the steps. That's it. Hope you got the point. Then, what is the fifth one? What is the fifth one? Vendor payment. What is the accounting entry? Accounting entry will be posted or not? Yes, sir. What is the accounting entry?
Vendor account to GRIR clearing account.
Vendor account debit GRIR clearing account. Yes, sir. GRIR బాగా ఇష్టపడుతున్నట్టున్నారు. Check. Issue. Check issue. Clearing. Why we should not take GRIR account here? Goods related activity completed and I have created vendor. Then what is the use of GRIR? Hope you got a point. Why I am using GRIR? To better accounting purpose. To better Accounting purpose to should not create any disturbance between accounts payable module and materials module. Hope you got my point. Hope you got. In future, any audit happens. In future, any reports purpose, we should understand which goods in transit, which goods the delivery completed. Right or wrong? Hope you got my point. Which goods we have received. Okay, invoice first. Which goods we received? Inventory first. Organizations అంత కళ్ళు మూసుకుని మనలాగా ఓకే వెళ్ళవండి. They should have each and every record in a proper way. Each and every record in a proper way because they should be answerable to government. They should be answerable to income tax department. You people should understand these all things. Hope you got my point. Okay. మనలాగా ఈ రోజు మార్నింగ్ 6కి లేసాను, నేను ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కి వెళ్తాను, రేపు పొద్దున్న 7కి లేసాను, నేను వెళ్ళను, రైట్, అలా ఉంటుంది. Hope you got my point. Hope you got my point. Okay, so everything should be recorded in a proper way, continuous. Not it is not one time activity. Every day they should record in a same way. Hope you got my point. Okay, right. Then what is the next one? Accounting entry will be posted or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the accounting entry?
Check issue clearing account to main bank account.
Check issue, clearing account to debit. To
Main bank account.
main bank. Everyone is clear, right? So if you clearly observe vendor, check issue. What is the accounting entry? Raw material entry account to main bank. First మీరు ఏదైతే చెప్పారో అదే వచ్చింది. But they don't do direct. Hope you people understand. Okay. Very, very, very important cycle in interview point of view. Okay, they will ask you, could you please explain about P2P cycle? You people should start from purchase requisition. You people should end with BRS. If anyone asks, okay, you are learning SAP FSCO, could you please explain about P2P cycle? You people should say P2P cycle, it will start with organization will raise purchase requisition. There is no accounting entry because organization have not received any material at that moment. The second one is creation of purchase order with respect to purchase requisition. Here also, okay, no accounting entry will be posted in SAP because okay, organization has not received any material. But in this step, we organization okay have decided who is the vendor, material provided, how much quantity, what is the price, and then what is the third step? Goods received. Organization is receiving material. That means organization receiving something. Right? Hope you got moment. So accounting entry should be posted. What is the accounting entry? Raw material inventory account debit to okay GRAR clearing account to GRAR account. Then what is the fourth one? Vendor liability creation, vendor invoice. What is the accounting entry? GRAR clearing account debit to vendor account. Then what is the next one? Vendor payment. As you know, okay, as you people know, vendor account debit to check issue clearing account. Then what is the next step? DRS. What is the accounting entry? Very, very important. Okay, for your life, okay, time for your total career. If you want to settle in SAP as a business user or as a okay consultant, it will not be changed. Either it is in ECC or S4HANA. Future లో ఎప్పుడైనా పొరపాటున ఏమైనా రానా అని కొత్తదేమైనా పట్టుకొచ్చినా బానా అని కొత్తదేమైనా పట్టుకొచ్చినా the entries will not be changed. The entries it will not be changed. Hope you got my point. Okay, please note it down. Yes. Quotation. Sorry.
Quotation and goods issue.
Goods issue. Goods issue. You are talking about goods issue. That means once you receive the goods, okay, how you will issue. That is the thing, right? I didn't understand your question once again.
When we use
Goods issue.
goods issue and quotation.
Tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We will discuss. Okay, you need not to worry. Okay. It's just this is the purchase cycle. We should discuss about production. We should discuss about sales also. Okay. This is only procurement. AP means vendors. Vendors, what we'll do? We will always deal with procurement only. Right? Hope you got my point. Okay. You people can note it down and you people can read for the day. Okay, because tomorrow we will discuss AR. Okay, sir. Once again, I am telling you, it will take another 1 week, minimum to go to system. Okay, hope you people understand how we are going. Before you enter into system, you people should understand about each and every module, each and every sub module, which we are going to discuss for next 3.5 months. Hope you got my point. Okay, right. Any doubts from online?
Clear, sir.
Yeah, right. Okay. Any doubts from offline?
No doubt. Okay.
Thank you. You can note it down and you people can leave for the day. Thank you.